In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your mouse cursor disappearing in Google Chrome. This is a common problem that many users face, and it can certainly be a bit frustrating when you're navigating through your browser and suddenly lose track of your cursor. But don't worry, I'll walk you through a simple fix that should resolve this issue and get your browser functioning smoothly again. First, you'll want to begin by opening Google Chrome if you haven't already. Once Chrome is open, take a look at the top right corner of the browser window. You should see a menu icon which looks like 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This is going to open up the main menu for Chrome. Moving on to the next step, from this menu, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings option. This will take you into Chrome's settings interface where you can manage various aspects of your browser's functionality. Now, once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu with different categories of settings. Find and click on the category labeled System. This section deals with various performance and system-related options for Chrome, and it's where we'll find the setting we need to adjust to fix the cursor issue. In this System section, you're looking for an option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This is a feature that, while generally helpful for improving performance, can sometimes cause problems like making your cursor disappear. You'll notice that there's a toggle switch next to this option. To resolve the cursor issue, you'll want to turn off this toggle. So click on it to disable hardware acceleration. At this point, after you've switched off the hardware acceleration, you might see a message or a button prompting you to relaunch Chrome. This is an important step. Click on the Relaunch button that appears. This action will restart Chrome to apply the changes you've just made. Don't worry, your open tabs should be preserved through this process so you won't lose any work. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your mouse cursor should remain visible, and you shouldn't encounter further issues while browsing in Chrome. If you still experience problems, there may be other factors at play, but this is a great first step to try. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.